Aaron.
Aryan, really? Aryan brother?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of from earlier.
You're so racist to me.
Yeah. Do your little zombie face,
black,
you know?
right?
Punch. Everybody in our family snores. That's weird.
Wake up, sleepyhead.
I do like